Hi, I'm Lorenzo Acosta from Brookfield East. The most important lesson I have learned from Acumatic and GPS was personal accountability. I must go to work when expected and manage my time wisely. I can't take a day off. Basically, I have learned to be more considerate of others and held accountable for my life choices. I have developed a level of trust and made lifelong friendships with my coworkers and mentors at Acumatic. The best part of working there has been the people. They can be a lot of fun and they're always joking around with one another. It's a fun place to work at, and I actually want to go to work when I can. It's like a family at Acumatic. Doing all my classwork and earning the credits I need for graduation are the classroom achievements I am most proud of. Getting my schoolwork done early in the semester helped me earn more job experience. One of the most challenging and greatest achievements I have learned this year was learning all about blueprints. I never thought I would have enjoyed learning blueprints. While in the GPS Ed program, I gained soft skills such as motivation and determination. Since I have joined, I don't stay up late. Instead, I go to bed early enough so I am well rested and able to be productive at both places. I also developed a better understanding of creativity when I was making my Rube Goldberg project. I made a release lever that held the marbles and had to make sure it got released at the right moment. It took a lot of creativity and part on my part to get it to work. My next measure of success will be to become an HVAC business owner in 5 years. I hope to travel the world more and enjoy my life. I would like to say thank you, Ms. Farley, for being there when I was thinking about dropping out of Brookfield East, but she didn't give up on me. I want to say thank you to Peer Culture for helping me find a job placement at Acumatic and also helped me more successful in my career pathway. Lastly, I want to thank you to Acumatic and especially a huge thank you to Cooper for hiring me and keeping me on track at work. A quote I live by and say to myself, every story has an epic ending. If you're not happy, it's not the end.